You want to know what I cook at home? I cook this at least twice a week for me and the kids. Oh, are you struggling to barbecue tasty chicken? Let me help you. Start by grabbing some skinless and boneless chicken thighs, like these 1 kilogram of thighs I picked up from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. There's no real prep to do unless you want to trim off any excess fat. I don't bother trimming mine. They are all just going straight into a bowl. Do you struggle to put anything other than salt and pepper on your chicken and you need a little bit of seasoning help? I've got you covered. You can use many chicken seasoning rubs out in the market, but for an all-round tasty option, I use some taco seasoning like this one. Add 1 bag per every 500 grams of meat and 1/4 cup of olive oil and mix them up until all the chicken is coated. How good does that look? Nearly good enough to eat now. Place this in the fridge for at least an hour or so. Please never eat raw chicken. Well, at least not without a tasty sauce and some crunchy fries. For barbecue chicken, you want a high indirect heat. This is going to help you caramelise that chicken without fear of burning it. Using a Weber Kettle, it's as easy as 3/4 filling a charcoal chimney up with some briquettes. I'm using Heat Bead's original briquettes today. Once they are all ashed over, dump them into a kettle cone and place the grill back in to warm up. And place the lid back on, making sure all the vents are wide open, and give the grill 10 minutes to heat up. Do you get excited when it's grilling time, just like I do? Due to the chicken already having oil on it, there's no need to oil your grill. Just lay down the chicken thighs around the outer edges of the grill, as this is where the high heat is being directed from the kettle cone. Put the lid back on and wait 45 minutes. Why 45 minutes? Because I've been cooking on these barbecues for over 30 years and I know a thing or two. Plus, it's science. Did you know the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot? As the cold air is sucked in through the bowl vents, it then goes through the hot fuel and is forced out through the lid vent. So to ensure an even cook, I spin the lid 1/3 of the way every 15 minutes during the cook. This cook will take around 45 minutes, so it's easily a 2-beer cook. Subscribers to this channel get tortured by my videos twice a week. How do you really know when your chicken is ready? When chicken is reading 74 degrees Celsius internally, you know it's safe to eat and we can class it as no-death chicken. Although with dark meat like thighs on chicken, you can push this further past 80 degrees Celsius, as dark meat has way more fat and collagen in it, and it will not dry out, but it will stay moist. Smack! When the chicken is off the heat, allow it to rest for a couple of minutes. Barbecue chicken is such a versatile cut of meat, you can use it in so many ways. Look at that colour. You could serve these up like this as whole pieces with some salad, or in a burger bun with some slaw, or chop it up and add it into tacos. No matter what you do with it, it will be a tasty meal. Just enjoy.